Welcome to another Freshservice Tips and Tricks. My name is Bobby McCullough, a Solutions Engineer with Flycast Partners. Today we're going to talk about expanding your support channels using the Freshworks Marketplace. Support channels in Freshservice are the methods by which tickets get into your system. They're the methods by which your customers communicate with you to provide those tickets, as well as monitoring solutions that might provide alerts into your ticketing solution. So support channels are obviously the support portal where your customers can come in and get that Amazon-like experience. But it also might be the chat solution or the Freshdesk solution. It also might be email boxes where you've set up separate boxes for maybe networking and the hardware versus the software teams. Each of those you would consider a support channel. It's a method by which those tickets are going to get into your system. So the support channels are easily configured in Freshservice. They allow you to define how tickets are going to get into your system. Obviously, someone can call and your agents can key a ticket in. You're going to have a support portal where your customers can come in, and that's really the preferred method of providing that Amazon-like experience. But you may have other entry points for tickets into your system. Think about maybe an integration with Freshdesk if you have the Freshworks customer-facing, external customer-facing solution. Maybe you want a channel through your feedback widget, so that you're embedding a form to capture some more information that a customer might be supplying through feedback. Obviously, you've got emails. You're going to be able to set up multiple emails using either the Freshworks email server or your own. And those email channels, email boxes can be automatically routed to a team. So that's one of the benefits there. But what do you do when you have other points of entry? Maybe you've got developers that are utilizing Jira, and through their agile development, maybe they need something done to a server or some networking system or something. That's not a development task. That's something that should come over to the Freshservice team. So it'd be very easy through this integration with Atlassian to push those tickets that belong over in Service Desk out from the Agile development team, but keep those tickets in sync so that the development team can come into Jira and see what's going on with their tickets, but the Service Desk team manages through their system. Now, very easy to install these marketplace apps. Usually the system will come with a help article that just steps you through. Usually it's very easy, simple, a couple of clicks to get it installed, and then it's just a matter of supplying your authorization tokens between the two systems so they know it's okay for those systems to connect and communicate. In addition to Atlassian, maybe you use Yammer to communicate. This allows you to convert Yammer posts automatically into tickets or ticket notes directly through that integration. So again, it's another channel that you might be communicating with your customers, that you might need the ability to generate a ticket from that communication. GitHub, again, a development type tool that there could be an integration that allows a ticket to initiate over in the GitHub side and push that over to the Freshservice side, or vice versa. When there's a development issue that's coming in from a customer, then you might need that ticket to go the other way. So you would have that capability through this marketplace integration. The last one I want to show you here is Salesforce. Again, it's a CRM type tool. You might have a need to initiate a ticket from that solution. And so this connection makes it easy for you to exchange that data between those two systems. Now, Here we're talking about sort of customer-facing solutions, a solution that other staff members of your organization might utilize, and you might have a need to initiate a ticket from those other solutions. But there's another method that you might consider a channel in the system, and that method comes from IT operations management. And this is where you have the ability through that marketplace to integrate monitoring tools, your system monitoring tools. And you've got multiple ways that you can integrate those. There are some out-of-the-box connectors that are already developed for things like Amazon using CloudWatch, New Relic, APM, Nagios, SCOM for Microsoft, SolarWinds, and so on. All of these monitoring solutions you have the ability to integrate with, utilize the automation and logic in the workflows to help you determine automatically when you're going to generate a ticket from the alerts coming from these monitoring solutions. And it's not just the out-of-the-box ones. We also have the ability to integrate with other tools using an email or a webhook. But a really nice third channel for your ticketing solutions. You know, someone today is reviewing that monitoring data and determining when a ticket is going to be created. Or maybe you have another service desk solution and every alert is creating a ticket, and that's a problem for you. This is all something that Freshservice can help resolve. To recap, you've really got three methods of channels. You've got your out-of-the-box channels. We've also got your marketplace channels that allow you to easily create an integration. And then you've got the monitoring solution channels that allow you to bring in those monitoring alerts.
Thank you for watching another Freshservice Tips and Tricks presented by Flycast Partners. If you like our videos and this content, please like and subscribe to always be updated on the latest tips and tricks. And if you need more Freshservice help or resources, reach out to Flycast Partners Professional Services at info@flycastpartners.com.